Thank you for joining us for tonight's Fall 2025 Capstone Workshop Final Briefings. I am Chandler Precht, the Director of External Affairs and Communications for our Sustainability graduate programs, and I oversee our Capstone Workshop. I serve as one of the faculty advisors from a team that you'll be hearing from in session 1. So excited for you to see what they've been working on. I will be your host this evening. Welcome again to the Fall 2025 Capstone Workshop Final Briefings. Our Capstone Workshop serves as the culminating educational experience for students in our Sustainability Management and Sustainability Science programs. Students must draw on their problem-solving and technical skills that they've gained throughout the curriculum of these two programs to solve crucial sustainability issues for nonprofit and public clients. Each team will have 10 minutes to present with 5 minutes of Q&A. If you're in the audience, please raise your hand and someone will come to you with a mic. Session 1 tonight will go until 7:30. Then we'll take a 30-minute break, and then session 2 will begin at 8 p.m.